program or this formality. Of course, we are going to seal this program with a lovely kiss. So, Sir Luke, on count of 3, and Sir, what's your name? Sir Julius. So, on count of 3 ay sabay po ninyong hahalikan o bibigyan ng matamis na halika ang inyo pong mga asawa. Okay, so are you ready? On 1, 2, 3. Ayun, no? And now, balik naman po tayo ng posisyon. Sa likod naman po ang ating bridesmaid and our bride. And Sir Luke and Sir Julius, you may now take your seat. And of course, to officially seal this program, our bridesmaid and bride will give back the lovely kiss. Okay, on count of 3, in 1, 2, and 3. And that's it, ladies and gentlemen. Palakpakan naman po natin ang ating newlyweds and of course the chosen groomsmen ay the chosen bridesmaid. Maraming salamat for your presence. Hindi ninyo binigo ang lahat ng bisita natin tonight. And of course, huwag na po kayong babalik sa inyong upuan, Ma'am Yen and Sir Luke, because the next part of our program is our traditional cake cutting ceremony.